How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your country location in Amazon Prime Video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is, all you need to do is open up your Amazon.com. Now, after you're on Amazon.com, make sure that you log in with the account that you are linked with on Amazon Prime. After you do that, simply head over here. Just log into this account here, and after you're here you should find an option called account. Just hover right here, head over to account, and after you're on this page, what you'll need to do is head over to your address. Tap on your address, and after you tap on your address you will see an option to add another address. So you can simply remove this address here, add another address, and after you change your address you are basically changed your location. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.